DC-DC converter that is responsible for stepping down the input voltage to desired level of output voltage is known as a buck step down converter. In this case, the output voltage is less than input voltage. DC-DC converter that steps up the input voltage to desired level of output voltage is known as a boost step up converter. In this case, the output voltage is greater than the input voltage. A buck boost converter combines the functions of a buck converter used for DC voltage step down and a boost converter used for DC voltage step up. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.